If I share my screen and take you around the book. Okay. Now, as per the syllabus, I think we had done these date functions and mathematical functions that I remember. Amongst these string functions, is it only the instr which is left, or there's some other also which are left in this category?
No instr left. Yes.
Rest all were done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, UCase, lowercase, mid, length, left, right, L trim, R trim, all done, huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
instr left.
only instr. Okay, fine. Then let's start with that. Let's do that first. And date time functions we did last class. That is also done. And then we move on to some questions I wanted to do today. Yeah. Okay. So, talking about the instr function, what happens is, it's a very important concept in terms of comparison with substring also. Generally, a child gets confused between the usage of substring and instring. Okay. They just work in an opposite manner. Substring is searching for a string within a given string. You are providing the position and the number of characters required. Okay. And the instring is going to search for the substring you provide him and give you the starting position of it. For example, if I say select substring from this particular string, go to third character or maybe fourth character and pick up 3 characters. So it is returning me a substring, part of a string, hence the name it is. Okay. But if I say that I want to search for this string, HMI, in the given string, so he will return you the starting position of that substring. HMI. जो इसने ऊपर हमने निकाला जिसको. Oh, sorry. HMI means search for HMI and give me the starting position of that. You can see. So this is the input here. This is the output here. In string, this is the input and this is the output. Okay. So substring returns you the substring or portion of the string which is present at this position, from this position. Okay. And number of characters also you could specify how much you want. And in string, you give him the substring to search and he gives you the starting position for it. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in this case, this time they have given a question which any of the children could not attempt properly. That is, what happens if the given substring is non-existing? Like I ask him to search for this thing. Okay. Now, you have GHO is there. GHOS is there. But the complete string is not there. So for him, the string is not there. वो GHOSIL को ढूंढ रहा है. पूरा string को ढूंढेगा. पूरा string मिलेगा एक साथ जिस format में दिया हुआ है. Then only he'll give you the position. Okay. Or if I give completely something different which is not here, 0. So basically, if the string does not exist, what you're trying to search in the in string, using the in string, then what does it return? Whether it is null or 0 or -1 or none. ऐसा कुछ MCQ था. And majority of the bachas wrote null in CBSE paper. Okay. So if the substring is not present in the given string, in string returns me a 0. Otherwise, position. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. That was about the in-string function. So in-string and substring is just the reverse of each other. What input you give in substring, that comes as the output of in-string, and vice versa. Okay, chalo, let's move on to some questions which are there in the NCERT book related to just the functions what we have finished. Rest the chapter takes 2-3 more concepts also, which we'll do later. I mean today, but later. Okay, so first one. So the two category of questions which you, rather three category of questions. Number one, you are given you are given the where is my Zoom? Let me have it. Let me see it properly. You are given the question which tells you that this is the output I want, which function to use. Second, you are given the command and you are asked to give the output. And third, you are asked to write the query using a table. Like from the table, I want to extract the names of the products in capital letters. Or I want to extract those products जिसका date of year is 2000, date of manufacturing year. ठीक है, तो वो table से related queries है सारी. ठीक है, उस पर मैं I'm coming later. Let's first do this. To display the day like Monday, Tuesday from the date of from the date when India got independence. So you have to design the query depending upon what input and output it is talking about. Okay, so it is saying that India got independence, that is your 15th August 1947. उस डेट में से आई वांट कि वो मंडे था या ट्यूसडे था, क्या था. ठीक है, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, हाउ डू आई गेट दिस आंसर? To get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, what function do I use? I use day name for that. There's a function called as day name. I use that function for it. Okay. Day name को input किया जाएगा the date of independence. Okay. So day name, it all is with select only. So select day name. Bracket open. It's always the date always comes in quotes. So 1947, year first, followed by the month, 08, followed by the date. Date, rather. Select the day name from this particular date. It was a Friday. Okay?
Yes.
Now, this, they can also ask that I want to display the day of the week in terms of 1, 2, 3, 4.
So if we select day of the week.
Yeah, then we use it as day of the week. And in that case, if it is a Friday, what should be the day of the week? The day of the week should be 6. Why? Because Sunday is considered as 1. So Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday is 5. I counted down. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Huh? Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 3, Wednesday is 4, Thursday is 5, and
Fridays.
Huh? So what we have to remember here is that Sunday is
1.
1. Sunday is considered as 1. That is something typical about. Okay? So try the next one. Display the number of characters from a particular position of a given string. Which function do I use? Display the number of characters from a given position. Particular position. That's the substring function. है ना? उसी को हम particular position देते हैं. That from where you want to extract number of characters, and he gives me the number of characters. Right?
Yes, sir.
So you just, in this case, they are not given me anything as such. So I cannot implement it. But as such, they are just asking the function name here. So I'm just writing substr or mid or substring. Okay, so all three works. Let me just show you that thing also. Select if it is mid, and I give him a string, and I give him the position, and I ask him to extract. Same works with substr and same works with substr ing. All are same. Okay? Okay. Display the name of the month in which you were born.
Day of month.
No, it's not day of month. Day of month actually, if you go by that, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
अच्छा
Month का नाम. There.
फिर वो month वाला function.
Month name. Because only month gives you the month
Name.
and number. If I say from this date, I want the month. If I say month, it will give me 8. Okay. That doesn't help me. So month name. Is it okay?
Okay.
Display your name in capital letters. UK is out of it. Right? If I use that. I can write upper also. Both are same. Okay. Now tell me the output for this. Output of the following queries. Select power 2, 3.
8.
2 into 2 into 2. That is it. Good. Now next one. Round of 1, 2, 3, dot 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.
1 2 3.23 होता है.
Correct. Because I want the answer up to 2 decimal places.
Yes.
So deciding factor is the third one, which is less than 5. So my this 3 remains 3 only. Doesn't go up. Okay. So that is 123.23. Very good. Now the next one, if it is -1.
ये हो जाएगा 343. नहीं.
Correct. 3, 4.
सही बोला.
Because deciding factor
is
okay,
9.
No, I'm wrong. If it would have been 0, then
अच्छा.
it would have been 3, 4, 3 because then this is the deciding factor.
पर मैम वो तो वैसे ही 0 हो जाएगा अगर उसको हम कन्वर्ट कर देंगे माइनस
इसको.
में. मतलब जैसे अगर इसको राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो 343.0 ही होगा ना वैसे.
No, see, that is like if I do it in a normal manner. How does SQL work? No, we have to see that.
अच्छा.
SQL works की -1 अगर है तो वो इधर से डेसिमल से हटके इधर आ जाएगा इंटीजर पोर्शंस में. And this is your deciding factor. And round off होगा because it is 1, so tens place पे round off होगा. So 42 will be rounded off to either 40 or 50.
अच्छा इसमें पॉइंट के आगे वाला नहीं देखा.
हाँ, इसमें पॉइंट के लेफ्ट साइड वाला देखना शुरू हो जाता है फ्रॉम द नेगेटिव पार्ट.
ठीक है.
0 में this is a deciding factor. If you what you said was as per 0.
Okay.
0 or nothing if I write. So let me show that to you. Select. ये definitely होगा पेपर में and थोड़ा सा confusing. Select round. 342.9234. 342.9324, comma 0, or if I don't write this because comma 0 is by default, then it is what you said, right? And if I say -1, तो इसका rule क्या है? -1 means deciding factor is the -1 digit, which is my -1 digit. This is the -1 digit, and because it is -1, so I have to round off in terms of tens, and tens means 42. 42 will be rounded off to in terms of tens, 40 or 50. So because deciding factor is less than 5, so it will remain 40. 340. ठीक है? What if I say -2?
फिर वो 3 हो जाएगा।
तुमने किसी से 342 रुपीज उधार लिया और राउंड ऑफ करके बोल रहे हो कि आई
नहीं नहीं,
रिटर्न यू 3
सॉरी
रुपीज.
सर सर, वो फिर
Number of digits will not reduce in the case of.
300 नहीं
Correct.
नहीं,
Correct.
पीछे
Number of
से
digits will
हो
not reduce in the case of integer part.
जाएगा।
Okay. So because deciding factor is this, less than 5 है. -2 means rounding off in terms of hundreds. So 342 in terms of hundreds अगर place करते हैं उसको तो 300 और 400 के बीच में होगा.
और
Because
मैम
decide,
अगर ये 4-5 होता तो फिर ये हम 400 लेते।
अगर ये वाली चीज 5 होती और
हाँ
मोर देन 5 तो वो
हाँ
500 की 400 चला जाता.
ठीक।
ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. लेंथ ऑफ दिस, तो इसको कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे हम. लेंथ कितना है? 1 2 3 4 5
21 है आई गेस।
स्पेसेस आर आल्सो काउंटेड. तो ये बीच का जो एक स्पेस है उसको भी काउंट करें.
हाँ
राइट.
यस
नाउ
सर।
दीस थ्री. फर्स्ट वन, ईयर फ्रॉम 1979 11/26.
रिटर्न्स ईयर मैम
Returns year,
दोबारा
so
ये
it is 1979.
29
Next one, month
मंथ कौन सा 11
11 and day
डेट डे 26
26. So day and day of month is same.
ठीक
डे फंक्शन लिखो या डे ऑफ मंथ लिखो, इसको भी एक
ठीक
बार हम कर लेते हैं. डे एंड डे ऑफ मंथ इज सेम. आई जस्ट वांट टू पिक दिस. सो इफ आई से day, then it is 15. And if I say day of the month, day of month,
तभी
then
सेम।
also it is 15. Okay. So these are the kind of questions which we are expecting. Chalo, this one also. Month name.
मंथ नेम ना, अच्छा 11
November.
नवंबर सॉरी।
Right? Middle
हाँ
one is the month name.
नव
Okay. Now this one. This is a complete thing. In the select statement, I can use multiple functions also, na? So पहला वाला चीज ये है, दूसरा वाला चीज ये.
मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा क्या था इसमें।
लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करेंगे.
अच्छा हाँ ठीक
है ना?
ठीक है। तो इसमें बस वही करना सेम, लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट।
लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट करके how many characters to extract? 3.
डी से स्टार्ट हुआ, डी आई है।
No, left से means from the leftmost position extract 3 characters.
अच्छा
D से शुरू होगा अगर ये substring function होता.
हाँ वो अलग ठीक है।
Substring में second is the position.
ठीक है
But in left and right, these are the number of characters to be extracted from the leftmost or rightmost.
ठीक। तो आई एन डी होगा फिर।
IND होगा first part का. What about the second part?
computer science E N C E.
Okay, let me check. India, comma 3. That's the first part, comma, right. Computer, what else? Computer science, comma 4. Did you say this?
Yes ma'am, E N C.
Okay, very good. Fine, so these are the kind of questions we are expecting. And last one also try that, mid and substring.
Return. FORMA.
FORM. F is one character.
हाँ हाँ सॉरी, F
FORM.
for M. Sorry.
What about this one?
CT. हम इसमें A को काउंट करेंगे ना?
From the position. It is always starting from the position.
From the position.
Give it.
ACTICES.
Very good. Okay. So I think this is done. Now table based we will do, but table based ke liye this set of questions are something else. They are combined with group by clause and other things also. जो भी करा दूँ. Once we do it, then only I can use this particular assignment. But what I want to do today is this year ka question paper. I've done it with my fifth subject lectures also. Let me see how many we can answer. They're actually, if I tell you, they're about, I think, 15 marks है almost जो हम कर चुके हैं. You know, this is the, I should not be showing you the marking scheme. Sorry, don't remember that it's a marking scheme. ठीक है. Aggregate functions, ये देखो, this is the paper this time का. Okay. Now, first part, second part अभी तुम्हें नहीं आता, third part भी नहीं आता. See the fourth one.
Okay. तो ये हो जाएगा मैम ये फर्स्ट ऑप्शन.
Correct. Next one, fifth question. Aggregate functions are also known as
थर्ड वाला.
multiple row functions. Excellent. Okay, so 2 marks.
प्राइम. मैम ये नहीं पता मुझे 6 वाला.
6 नहीं आता, 7. I know 6 नहीं आता. कोई पढ़ा नहीं है. Though this is not something we've done in 12th yet, but 11th ka hai. Let me see whether you remember or not. Sorting हम किससे करते थे?
सॉर्ट बाय से ही होती है ना.
Order by. There's nothing called as sort by. There's nothing called as sort by. There's nothing called as align by. Group by का purpose is something different. We'll study that.
मैम पर सॉर्ट फंक्शन तो होता था ये.
Sort function वो Python में होता था.
अच्छा, मैं कंफ्यूज.
Select command में sort नहीं है. That's order by.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. चलो next one. एक बार आ गया. बताओ.
एट वाला ना.
To remove the leading and trailing spaces. दोनों spaces हटाने. Left side also, right side also.
फिर ट्रिम.
Trim, correct. Otherwise it is L trim or R trim.
और आर. लेफ्ट या
ये देखो, this is the question I was talking about. If the substring is not present in the string, then the
string
argument
returns 0.
is 0, right? So almost I think 5 questions done, 5 marks done.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now we move on to the bigger questions. MCQs में I think बाकी और कुछ नहीं है. Another one, 14th.
The following is not a valid sum len नहीं है क्योंकि
Excellent.
max sum count
Yes,
minimum.
excellent. So 7 marks. Good. Moving on further. Yeah, no more MCQ questions. Now let me take you to the questions जो मैं कह रही थी regarding the table or some more output I think. This one count and count star. Another 2 marks. So 9 marks.
काउंट स्टार तो मतलब कि पूरे डाटा से और काउंट मतलब कि एक स्पेसिफाई उससे.
Specified column say, and the most important factor what they wanted here in the answer was count when you give a column name. It does
Yes.
not count the null values.
Oh, okay.
So here if this is considered to be as null, this particular portion है ना, commission का अगर हम इसको लेके चले कि ये null है, in that case count of commission will give you 1 and 2 है ना. Whereas if I say select count star from sales, what will be the answer? Record 1, record 2, record 3. 3. Okay, so this is also a very important concept from CBSE exam point of view, count and count star.
ठीक.
So another 2 marks. Okay. Now let's move on further. to question number 30 or 31. Yes, ये वाला. This you can do. This is the table.
Okay.
Okay. Patient ID, name, city, phone, date of admission, and department. Now the question is display the details of all patients who were admitted in January. So from the date of admission, January वाले data को हमें extract करना है. Okay. Display details of all patients. All patients means select star from patient.
Yes.
है ना? Because details है basically. All details है तो star हो जाएगा. Where month name use करेंगे we in the date of admission field is equal to January. What I want to tell you here is that I'm using the function name in the where condition. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one is that you extract the way we were doing it till now. Here we were extracting just using the select command. But here what we are doing is we are trying to apply the function name to a particular field and ask him to check the output as per whatever you get here and accordingly extract the data from the table.
Okay.
Right? Count the total number of patients from Delhi.
तो इसमें आ जाएगा
select count करना है सबको count star
काउंट के अंदर सिटी वाला कॉलम का नाम फ्रॉम दी फ्रॉम पेशेंट
हाँ
सिटी इज इक्वल टू
दिल्ली
उसमें आएगा वो.
दिल्ली
हाँ.
डायरेक्ट इसमें तो सिटी में डायरेक्ट है कुछ नहीं करना. ठीक है.
फिर 3.
नेक्स्ट वन display the last two digits of the patient ID for all patients from surgery department. So last two digits of patient ID कैसे निकालेंगे? Which function? Right. है ना? Right function easily will go to the extreme right of the ID and extract the two characters. So this is how we will do. Select write patient ID comma 2 from patient.
तो फिर वो 0 1 उठाएगा.
फिर वो ये उठाएगा 0 1. हाँ. और ये हम इसलिए इस पर्टिकुलर चीज पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज अ स्ट्रिंग डेटा. हाउ डू आई नो इट इज अ स्ट्रिंग डेटा? Because you are applying you're asking him to apply the right function. If it is a numeric data, then I cannot apply the right function on that. Because you are string functions, ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now, इसका एक variation है, little difficult, yes, but kids can do. That is when I talk about usage of substring function. Substring function में मुझे अगर last position मिल जाए कि कहाँ पे data end हो रहा है. Here the pattern is same of the data, so I can easily say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. है ना? 7 से शुरू -7 से शुरू करो और 2 कैरेक्टर निकालो. -7 means he knows कि राइट साइड से काउंटिंग करनी है. सॉरी नॉट -7 -2. राइट साइड से काउंटिंग करेंगे तो 1 and 2 और वो निकाल लो. As simple as that. But the point is that I don't know how many characters are there. अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन है जिसमें इन्होंने ऐसे करके दिया आपको लेंथ ऑफ पेशेंट आईडी -1, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. बट ऑब्वियसली दिस इज द मोस्ट इजीएस्ट वन. डायरेक्टली राइट से निकालो ना. तुमको लेंथ निकाल के उसको माइनस करने की क्या जरूरत है? ठीक है. दिस इज द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट एंड डायरेक्ट आंसर. राइट वन.
एक बार फिर से पेशेंट आईडी फिर लेंथ में पेशेंट आईडी क्यों लिख रखा है?
बिकॉज सबस्ट्रिंग को पहला तो डेटा वो चाहिए ना कि किस फील्ड पे काम करना है या किस डेटा पे काम करना है.
अच्छा, तो
दिस
अगर
इज द
सीधा लेंथ पेशेंट आईडी लिखते तो फिर वो नहीं देगा.
because that's a wrong thing because first input to substring function is the ID. I mean the string value. है ना? तो वो तो देना ही पड़ेगा। लाइक राइट को भी हमने सबसे पहले क्या दिया कि भाई किस पे काम करना है।
ठीक है, तो पहले वो उसका काम करेगा फिर लेंथ आएगा फिर तो।
इसमें जाएगा, उसमें आप फिर उसको बता रहे हो कि भाई इस फील्ड में जाओ, राइट साइड से 2 कैरेक्टर्स निकालो। दिस इज एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द functions on the field of the table. Function name on the field of the table.
ओके
Are you getting it? How we are doing practicing till now is because वो जल्दी जल्दी हो जाता था कि डायरेक्टली हम डेटा उसको दे रहे थे। If यही डेटा I want him to pick from the table, like let me show you so that it's clear. Let me open a database. Some table or the other I'll definitely have. Select start from student था शायद कुछ items. हाँ. Yeah. Now, if I say that I want the item names of those items which has been purchased in the month of August. So what will I say? Select names. Sorry, I name from item where
month name
where month of DOPUR is equal to 8.
8 मैम। अच्छा 8 भी लिख सकते हैं और नाम भी लिख सकते हैं, वो
नहीं.
आपकी मर्जी।
If it is month name,
अच्छा फिर मंथ नेम है।
yes. If it is month, then I can only write 8.
राइट नेम, ठीक है हाँ मैंने ध्यान दिया।
Good morning, Disha.
Good morning, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, I overslept.
Okay. Now this particular session will end in 1 minute. But yes, then I'll join for another one because I'm taking this year's question paper and I was discussing the questions actually. Functions ke upar.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so if not another 40 minutes, maybe 15-20 minutes will do. Okay. So this is how I will apply my thing on the table. And if I wanted the name of the item with the month names, display. I want the item name and month name from all the items. I mean, for all the items. Okay. So this is extracting the data. And the previous example was using the function thing in the condition. दोनों को use करना आना चाहिए कि कहाँ पे कैसे use करेंगे. Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.